Most people believe cyber attacks happen because of weak systems, but the truth is simple. Hackers do not target computers, they target people. Today, we will explore the psychology behind cyber attacks. Why do intelligent people still fall for phishing scams? Why can a single click compromise an entire company? The answer lies in how hackers manipulate human thinking, human emotion, and human behavior. Hackers do not hack systems, they hack minds. In cybersecurity, there is a well-known principle. The human is the weakest link. Modern systems use encryption, firewalls, and advanced detection tools. Breaking into them directly is difficult. Manipulating a human is far easier. This is why most successful cyber attacks rely on social engineering. Social engineering is not about technology, it is about psychology. Hackers study how people trust, how people react to fear, how people seek rewards, and how people behave under pressure. Then they exploit those instincts. Psychological weaknesses hackers exploit. Hackers consistently target a small set of human traits. First, authority bias. People are trained to obey authority. When an email looks like it comes from a bank, a company executive, or an IT department, most people do not question it. This is why CEO fraud and business email compromise attacks work so well. Second, fear and urgency. Fear disables logical thinking. Messages that say your account will be locked, suspicious activity detected, or immediate action required trigger panic. Once fear takes over, critical thinking shuts down. Hackers rely on this reaction. Third, curiosity and reward. Humans are naturally curious. Messages promising prizes, confidential documents, or financial rewards exploit that curiosity. Even experienced users sometimes click because curiosity is automatic. Why smart people still get hacked? There is a dangerous myth in cybersecurity. Only careless people get hacked. That is not true. Smart and experienced users are often targeted because they are confident, they multitask, and they believe they can spot scams easily. This is known as overconfidence bias. Hackers do not need long-term access. They only need one moment, one click, one mistake. Cognitive load and decision fatigue. Hackers choose their timing carefully. Phishing emails often arrive early in the morning, late at night, or during busy work hours. This is not random. When the brain is overloaded, it switches to automatic decisions. This is called cognitive load. Under cognitive load, people skim messages, trust familiar patterns, and miss small details. Hackers design messages that feel familiar, not perfect, just believable. Emotional manipulation in cyber attacks. Most cyber attacks are emotional attacks. Hackers trigger emotions such as fear, trust, sympathy, excitement, and urgency. Fake charity scams exploit empathy. Fake job offers exploit hope. Fake invoices exploit responsibility. When emotions are triggered, security awareness often disappears. People do not click because they lack knowledge. They click because they feel something. Real-world consequences. Many major cyber incidents begin the same way, not with advanced malware, not with complex exploits, but with one email, one fake login page, or one reused password. Psychology opens the door, technology does the damage. That is why cybersecurity today focuses on people, not just systems. How to defend against psychological attacks. You cannot remove human psychology, but you can manage it. First, slow down. Urgency is a warning sign. Second, verify authority. Never trust without confirmation. Third, separate emotion from action. Strong emotion means pause. Fourth, assume manipulation. especially in unexpected messages. The strongest cybersecurity defense is awareness. Hackers do not defeat technology, they exploit psychology. When you understand how cyber attacks target the human mind, you strengthen your first line of defense.